After a long time, welcome to another video by Math Chemistry. Today we are going to make animation out of organic structure, as you may see in the defense session. That's a simple job to do. You just need to have the Chem3D application. Here you need to open your structure. That can be ChemDraw file, mol file, STF file, and anything else that is supported by the Chem3D. I'm going to open the mol file here, and I have here a structure of drug. That's a generic drug. Here you can change the background here. For example, I make it solid background and white colored background. That is actually white because I want to make my background in PowerPoint also white. So then I have two other options, many other options here. Actually, two of them are more important. For example, here I can actually hide the hydrogen atoms, and I will have this structure. That's optional based on your need. Then I'm going to save my GIF animation. So you come here to save as, and here in the save as type you need to find the GIF extension. Select it. Here you need to enter your desired name for the GIF file, and for animation this is a critical choice. If you change here to no frame, then you will have no any animation in your result file. So rotate it about the y-axis. You need to change it to this option. If you select other options, the rotation axis will be actually different. For example, you can here test it. I cancel it and test the rotation here by selecting the spin. It will rotate. But what is the rotation axis? Here it's y here, and I can change it to z or x. For example, if I select it to z, you see it's a different type of actually a spin. So I go to the save as and select rotate about y, because that was the right axis that I wanted. And these options here are for the quality of the GIF file and the speed of the rotation. For example, here DPI and pixel on angstrom are the options for quality that I don't change them, and these are fixed on 2064. The number of frames is the frames of animation you are going to make. I have set it on the 60 number, but if you decrease it, your animation speed, actually the rotation speed, will be increased, and you increase this number, your rotation speed will be decreased. Here I set it on 60 and save my GIF in the outro folder. Here you see the creation of frames. Here we will we'll stay here to complete the render. So the rendering completion, couple of seconds is needed to finalize the file save. Here you see it's not responding, but it's because of my video record. According to that, system is so that's complete, and I'm going to see my GIF animation. As you see here, this is my GIF animation that is rotating on the y-axis. Now I'm Actually, I can copy this animation and enter it inside the PowerPoint. It's a little different in the background color. You can make this issue okay this way. You can here change the background color of your slides. For example, here I use the eyedropper and change the color of my slide here. Then when you go on the slideshow mode, you see that it works and your molecule is rotating on the y-axis. The animation now is created. Hope you enjoyed this video and use it on your dance sessions well. Please like, subscribe, and comment.